All the pretty girls go to Kenwood.
Exactly.
Afternoon, guys. Hello.
I got my feet on the ground.
That's good to have your feet on the ground. All right, y'all. Today is it's like a big day for us. It is, hello y'all. Hey, welcome back to our channel. Deanna here. Okay, we are getting ready. The entire family is getting ready because I'm pretty sure other cities, I don't know what goes on in other cities, but in Chicago, your high school is a very big part of the culture here, okay? And so we went to the top, the legendary, the most elite high school on the south side of Chicago, you feel me? And so it is reunion weekend for everyone, but it's Bronco weekend, Kenwood weekend for us. And so we are getting ready for the all-class reunion. And it is exactly what it sounds like. A reunion for all of the classes. From the first class, 1960 something, to who just graduated, 2025, even though the babies probably ain't gonna come. So we are all getting ready. It's also our sister's 20th year. She probably don't want to say, it's her 20th year. Okay, so they are celebrating big. And so the whole family is going. My mama, sister, me, dnia. Our auntie's gonna be out there, our cousin's gonna be out there, everybody gonna be out there, okay? Because our whole family went to Kenwood. So we are getting ready. I'm trying to figure out, I got my edges being laid down right now. I'm gonna apply the unit in a minute. I already sprayed my perfume on and I'm wearing my Burberry gift. I'm wearing my Burberry gift. Spray some more on there. I'm wearing my Burberry. And I have on this like midi dress. I got this midi dress on and I'm gonna put one of our shirts on.
Y'all dump cake is ready.
We got a dump cake?
Yeah, I made a dump cake for y'all.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, yeah, I just need maybe like 10 to 15 more minutes. Hello?
Okay, cool.
All right, let me go. I'm trying to figure out what type of design I want on this shirt, how I'm gonna cut it, and I'm just gonna have to wing it right now. I don't know. So yeah, catch y'all when I catch y'all. All right, so I'm gonna wear it like this. Let's go. Yeah, just tie this in the back. You want me to cut these parts?
It's cut straight down the middle.
I just learned all of this on TikTok last night.
Right here. I should be inspired. So nice.
Y'all, I told y'all, I'm practicing tapping into my wardrobe creativity. Okay. So I'm trying to customize this shirt to look like some. Okay. Instead of just wearing it, you know. Ooh, I wish I would have sprayed some bleach on it.
Little rosy cheeks for the Bronco.
Can you drive so I can put my nails on?
Sure. And for those that don't know, or for those that need a reminder, I won Best Dress.
Oh, best dress.
For the yearbook. No, but for real, fashion is exactly what fashion is, and it's always been that for me. All right, this was short, but I pulled it down a little bit more so it wouldn't be like coochie cutters. I mean, can you say coochie on YouTube? Getting back to the 80s. Getting back to the back to my room. This is that. A little bit more. Not wearing any makeup, just a little dark conceal. I said we gotta get some more setting spray. And now mascara. What it is and what it ain't. Okay.
It's a terrible thing.
Go ahead, show the people.
Show the people. Okay, this is the finished look. I got the gold, got the back, and then the red.
I like how you're giving the blue and I'm giving the red.
Period. And that's a double team, y'all.
It happens like that effortlessly all the time. Like
Double team. You got
we
a blue
coordinate. You got a blue bag? I got that little blue bag. I don't want to wear a purse. Deanna's really the purse girl. I'm really either the tote, the book bag, or fanny pack, or the girl. I do enjoy a purse sometimes, but I like to carry my things for real. So I want to stuff the bag. Stuff the bag. Okay, 1 second. Oh yes, twin shoes. This is the final look.
It's a family reunion.
Yeah, it's like literally a family reunion. All of our entire family, minus our grandma, went to KENWOOD. So, all class reunion. Sister's 20-year, our older sister's 20-year reunion. And my mama and all of us. KENWOOD, rock gold. Okay. Box of big chips.
Yes.
All right. Peace.
Y'all, okay, we are trailing Danielle now. This is great. This is really great. Trailing Danielle now and headed to the suburbs. And I'm about to put my nails on. They're red. I got my cup to represent. And we're gonna have a blast, okay? I don't have to go to work tomorrow. It's great. It's great. So yeah, we're gonna check back in. Let me get to the things, okay? Let's go. All right, we pulling up. The people are having a good time during the summertime. They don't got nothing to do with us in the pool. But when I say from the distance that I can see, oh baby, it's rocking. And of course, we already knew it was gonna be rocking. But baby, please let us get a locking spot. Let us get a. Oh, it's so nice to get a. Yeah, y'all better carry y'all chairs in there. Come on. Oh, this is good. I'm so glad, y'all. I was down for a couple of days. I didn't think that I was gonna make it, but you can never keep a real one down, and that's me.
You can.
A real one. Hey, Jacquees. Lil Wayne. We're gonna get us a spot. There's a lot of parking. Come on. I'll park right here. Say I won't. No,
There y'all go straight. Alright. There y'all go.
this spot's right there. Got a parking spot. We ain't have to. We gonna have to walk, but we don't gotta walk off the turf. So I'm about to fill up my cup with my sangria because I'm drinking light today.
Moscato.
You want the Moscato?
Yeah.
Take that whole bottle and put that in the bag. Yeah. So we're drinking wine. I got water in here for us. I'm going to reapply my lip gloss. Who was that? Seaweed cousin?
Right in front of us?
Girl, yeah.
Yes. And I didn't say it out loud just because you be saying that don't be looking like us.
Okay. Get my cup.
Literally. College seaweed. Ponytail, hair color and all.
I need my fan. Oh shoot, we gotta carry chairs.
Dag, I did not bring your fan.
Dang. I got the thing. So I'm ready to turn up with my people.
Class reunion full of fat. I hope they know their windows is down,
No,
child.
that's okay. Broncos don't steal from each other.
I met a girl next. Can you leave me? I'm loyal, but I'm without her.
Hey.
I be without her.
I need some numbers or something.
And of course, she has arrived. It's the only person we've been waiting for. Exactly. Yeah.
Kenwood Legacies, Hyde Park Legacies, F you talk about. Exactly. Brandy's here. And I promise she went to Kenwood, but she ain't had no Kenwood shirt. I knew I should have brought a grass one, but it's okay. She don't care at all.
Get on my face. Nacho's back, now you rocking a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them Cyrus when
Go ahead, Dania. Say, hey. Low key, she probably back over there.
Is you over this?
Yeah, he the president. He did all this by himself.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
He not
Why you
grilling. He
doing
don't know
that?
how to cook.
Your front camera broke.
No, this is the best camera. Right there. Okay, so listen, they coming in. We here, of course, for 2012, but what's that? 90, 80. The 80s and the 90s, baby, they turn up. We don't have, I'm talking to mine. I don't have no. They're eating. They're having a blast over there. Going back. It's cold. Period.
Got him acting like a to that new Boston Richie. How that go? I'm big beat rolling through the streets in a 10 speed. Money on my mind, give a about what a thing. I can't waste my time.
Don't fall. Don't fall, please. Girl, you need to hook that on your pants or something. When you come back.
He must be my side.
Just when you think you got friends, they give you gifts. They really don't. You think niggas be real niggas?
Fake as hell.
Fake as hell. Fake. We got Eric and Rodney in the building.
I'm gonna say, how y'all doing?
Yeah.
We got that.
The flyest of them all.
For me?
Wait, did we both win? Who did I win best friends with? Was it with you?
When?
Why you being so loud,
All the pretty girls go to KENWOOD.
Exactly.
Like,
All of them. Yeah.
What's up?
Exactly. Y'all heard us. Is your boo? No, I got ice pack. Get low into a split. Dania!
I'm sorry, y'all do no angles and like.
Can you give me the phone? Everybody say no. Hold
on, I gotta put my.
Okay. Oh my God.
It's who your cousin? Kelly's. All right, I'm home. I'm great, happy, excited, tired. It was a blast. Wonderful. Good night.
What time is it? It's 1:47. It's 1:47. We just get back. We went to a picnic. We went to 2 after parties. Then we went to McDonald's. Then we went to Brandy Sweet so that we can deep breathe. You know, but it was a great time. It was a great night. The outfit came out spectacular. We had a great time. It was great vibes, good energy, just safe. Just felt great. It truly felt great to be outside, seeing our people. So we are tapping out, and it's about time to go to sleep. I'm so glad I don't have to work tomorrow. My voice is gone. It's gone. Yeah, Dania actually should probably make us some tea before we go to sleep, but she probably can't.
I'll make us something.
She's gonna make us some in the morning. I want to drink some water. Someone's here. She want y'all to see too. Y'all want to see me? She want y'all to see her outfit. She wasn't there. Her class is not permitted inside yet. So,
but I've been in that class. I've been to the family reunion, the KENWOOD reunion, since I was a little girl.
Yeah. She said Kim folk and them been there, done that.
And them, your lashes look good. Who did them?
Thank you. All destined to last.
Oh, okay. Here.
Yeah. For sure. Cold foam, cold brew, whipped cream.
This is good.
Or maybe I just like the top. It's 12 o'clock. We just woke up and now we gotta get breakfast.